Welcome back, my people. The next day, you know. Yes, man. The next better day, the next brighter day. Yes, so I said, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to original living. Yes, man. So, you know, we still have face the weather here, you know. But however, today is a better day. I do a video yesterday. Some of you guys see that one. The place was dark up, but it wasn't too bad. See the bad too, but today it's actually better. It's a better day today, you know, because this morning the sun actually come out this morning. It just dark up back a little bit, you know, and the rain start to dew, you know. But yeah, today is a better day. The weather, the weather. What them say about that weather there and where the hap them and everything I show about the weather. It's a funny pattern, you know. Funny pattern. I put it up again on the screen, you know, and play it, make your people see where them I say it I go do. Where it kinda hard to really believe this a weather. I've never seen a weather do nothing like that. That weather look like, I don't know. To me, it look like it had just go along straight over in the open. You know, look like it had got turn to me because yesterday them said it got turn earlier, you know, like more in the middle of the island. Now it had got turn more down to Westmoreland side, Negril and place. The eye got turn and go across the island, turn north. But me no believe say it had got turn now when it's so still. But we still have to watch and see what go on because today feel like one of them days when a hurricane passed yesterday, you know. Because even the sea come back down a little bit, you know, I go show it same way. You know, wave out there still, but not like yesterday. You know, you actually can go see and boat today. I saw the water look, you know, look good as usual. But as said, I nah say nothing more about the weather, you know, because me used to a lot of hurricanes, it's a lot me see. So, me used to them. So, me know them travel normally, you know. That one here, that way they look away. So, all me have to just do is watch what go on with that weather, because I can't say nothing much about it still, you know. Can't say nothing much. I said the sea calm down, come down back, and whenever hurricane, even when hurricane pass, most of the times, days after the sea rough, bad. And now me I look on the sea, yes, so me the sea come back right down. And most places might different still, like most different parishes might different, but it don't look so bad yes so now. But they must say it will go cross the island tomorrow, and today it did go cross the island. He move back, he push back, so they must say it will go cross the island tomorrow. You know, the weather go cut cross, turn north. Because they're on the south side, you know, so it go turn and go cross the island north. And at that time, it go be the bad thing. But the prediction where them a give, everybody a give, all of the weather people them a give. You know, if you cross from Disappoint, and if you cross from Kingston side, and if you cross from, say, Manchester side, and if you cross from, you reach down St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland, and that's the say the higher cross. So everything does a push back, you know. So yeah, we go and wait. Maybe it will cross more down a Negril, then you say it will cross over in the ocean. After those people, we have to just keep your fingers crossed and just go and watch out with it. And don't make the weather stop you from do what you have to do. Anything you have to do, just do it, alright? But still keep it in mind and secure yourself and your things, alright? Yeah, man, but don't make it bend your mind or switch your mind from what you have to do in your life. You know, just continue and press on. Because this is the only major thing me really do. I take up the boat and, you know, you have to do this. Just get the boat out of the water. Because just where I live, I don't really have to do no whole heap of preparing for my house and anything there. You know? But if you live certain place, prepare your place. You can't lose. You know? Secure where you have to secure. Yeah, man. So, as said, I go up on a couple of the beach side them go look. I don't want to go Port Mara to them. I don't know if I can reach. If I can reach, I reach. Up on Padgy Beach, go see how the place stay. Go get that. Clean up the road, you know, the roadside, and like them are the bushing. So them are clean some drain a while ago. My people, now we can see a little bit better, you know. This is where I dive from, you know, most of the time. On the beach, yeah. You can see this here roll. Yeah, sir. Because when we just leave from that area is a harbour area, so the deep side of the water they way out. So it's hard to really see how rough the sea be, you know, you have to really go out there. But yeah, so you can see. So yeah, so go on with the thing. But yeah, actually you can walk out. You can go up all this yeah, so. You know, say further up you go, it will get worse. As I say, you don't want to go Port Mara, you know. Go see up there so stay. I know so up there so must have iron. Yeah. But the beach, all heap of thing wash up. You can see at one point water did I reach up here so. Last night that or yesterday. See it? Yeah man, at one point water did I reach up here so. So I drop back you know? Drop back. Yes, I roll bad, you know, don't get me wrong, I said yes I roll bad. Bad, yes I roll. So yes I give you an idea, you know. Although the camera don't really show it like it is. But yes I roll real bad. Man, yes I roll bad. Yeah. We're on the next beach side, you know. We'll see how that the water stay. You know? This is around a Ryan over, I say me I go look and you can see way up here so the man them car them boat them coming up. You know far this from the sea now. See the way down so and go far they have them boat. See around here so stay. You can see the amount of fish pot the man them take out of the water you know, man. There's so much fish pot they out of sea. See a roll around that side, boy. Rolling seas. Yeah, man. Rolling seas, my people. Them place I see bad. You can see, say, watch out. See, dig off all of this a bank here last night, you know. See, almost I come up in here, so. Oh, that's so terrible. The camera now go show it like how it really is, you know. Camera too wide. But I go and bad around here, so. You can see say whole of this sack here. See take off the whole of here, so. You can truly see some place better than some, you know. Water did run all the way up here, so water did run. Water was all the way up here, you know. Yeah, this a rain over. And look at the sea. I don't know where I can reach. I look around and look better too. But I don't know if I can reach so far still. I will try. Try and see if I can make it to Rock best. I will see how the water stay, you know. Yeah, so. Roll here, so. I see the edge here, so. Yeah. That. There's the water near off. Yeah, man. Pass and I notice something underneath the bridge here, so boy. Like somebody set up here so nice, you know? Walk go down there a long time, you know, come around here, so it's new to me. Yeah, man. Underneath the bridge, the river there. I set up nice walkway, you know? Paint up in a Jamaica color. And then probably have bar around here as you can see me. Yeah. When I say set up nice, my people. Oh man, can I see them put tube and swing over the river. Set up nice. Beautiful setup, you know? Nice, man. See the bar there, so. I have like a kitchen side up there, so. Come on, yes, so definitely kitchen area. Yes, it look like our changing in a changing room also, you know? Yeah, like yeah, so. Man, somebody do a good job, you see, you know, because you saw the pear bush, you know. Pear bush, you so big. And nobody not can give the people no problem, you know. The people will set this up, so no problem. Most of a Rasta man do this. And you know, most people at Jamaica now tend to trouble you until you see you do something good. Set up somewhere nice, you know. That the time then come and trouble you. So you have to move. That's alright at the bridge. That's I mean I think that's how that be private property. That's supposed to be property of Jamaica, you know. Now it's for the government. So if a man clean you up, allow them make them do them thing. That's so nice, you know. Nice here. And people may try growing a rain over. The last no rain over. Try go a rock up so the last stop that. Me curious to see how around this so stay. Me know around the pile up with boat, you know. Alright, my people, around the harbour, you know. Yeah, every boat drop, but around here, so I don't think you really have to drop your boat far along, you know. Because around here, so one good harbour. Good harbour. All the tide drop. See a couple boat around here. Boat there in front, but two of them come in at the harbour come stay. Barge and such over that side. Come in as well. You know? Only pass Pratt there, so. That's a sanctuary still, you know. That's the top and them always there. But I guess maybe you not go see them you know. P.S. Pratt. I really go see the top and them now at all. As you know, weather time. Tide drop though. Tide drop way down too. Yeah. Around here so it's harbour still. PF around here so flat. Nothing but flatness around here so with people. All of them barge in front of two barge over there. The video when me mentioned said the barge them a go up see around here so they come, you know. And them have to secure them. Yeah. So you know so let's see how you see rough. You know so stay well calm. Yeah man. Fisherman they still take out them boat them still. Yes, my people. I don't know if I go record nothing more throughout the hurricane, yeah? You know? But just love to see what I go on still, you know? Fishermen they still a prepare themselves, man, I move with the engine and stuff. Run are so nice though. Flat and nice. This run is so one good harbour. Out of sea, out the rough, but it's so calm. Now run down his Pratt them, like a jack. Almost jack. Now kill after them. So yes, my people. I'm on the next day again, yes. And I said, I go watch and see what I go on, because them I said tomorrow it will cross. You know. Tomorrow they say it will cross the island. And me still, you know, because the way they look like, you know, go really. I don't see edge highway again. That it look like to me, because there's no way one way that can pass so long. You know, it a go long. The eye supposed to pass the island more than halfway, you know, the eye pass. So if it just turn back so at first, would I ever see that? Never witness nothing like that. I never hear nobody talk about nothing like that. But it can happen, so make you watch and see. So yes, my people, give thanks another wonderful day, you know, here in Jamaica to be watching the hurricane. No major damage in my area so far, you know. So we give thanks. Everybody stay safe. Yes, my people, you come across this channel for the first time, please never ask if you subscribe. If you love fishing and other adventures, this is a great platform, alright? And yeah, we see you people in the next video.